you looking for the perfect wet and dry vacuum cleaner for your job site or workshop? One that'll be able to handle all of those general cleaner tasks with ease? Then stick around. The solution is right here. Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R11VAC-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless wet and dry vac. This vacuum is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. It comes supplied with onboard accessories, such as a wet and dry filter and a number of different hose attachments. I'll cover all of these accessories in detail later in the video. What's great is that it's compatible with Evolution's entire battery range. All of the battery specs and your questions will be detailed once I've taken you through all of the features of the vac itself. So back to the R11VAC-Li. It's a cordless wet and dry vac, which means it's capable for wet and dry functionality, from spillages in the workshop to debris pickup. It's perfect for both commercial and domestic use. It can easily be attached to the dust port of any of the saws, be it a miter, circular or jigsaw in the Evolution Power Tools family of cordless tools. So it's perfect for quick and effective dust extraction, ensuring a clean and safe workplace. You can find the full specs for all of these machines on the Evolution Power Tools website. I really like the compact and portable design of this vacuum. There's a perfectly designed handle situated here on the machine, ideal for carrying around the workplace to attach to your tools for easy dust extraction. It has a bagless design with an 11-litre capacity bin. This is large enough for long-term collection of dust or debris. To empty, it's really easy. There's two quick lock clasps on each side of the vac that clip open, like so. You can then remove the top of the vac for a quick empty of the waste bin. Clip them back in place to re-secure, and the vac is again ready for use. There are several onboard accessories included with the R11VAC-Li, which you can see here. To attach the flexible suction hose for vac extraction, simply clip into the recess here beside the power switch. You can then choose the best nozzle that suits your needs. Housed on the vac are a Crevice Nozzle, a flat surface nozzle and a dusting brush. The Crevice Nozzle can be found here on the vac. Simply clip it onto the flexible hose and you can benefit from its slim design. The angled tip helps you get right into any tight spots. It can also be used to get into those intricate spaces and to deep clean your miter or table saw. The flat surface nozzle is housed just below the suction port. It's a great multi-purpose nozzle, and its wide diameter is great for quickly and effectively cleaning flat surfaces, such as the workshop floor. There's a large power switch situated on the vac handle here for easy operation. Last of the nozzles is the dusting brush, which can be found attached to the top of the vac here. It's round with soft bristles, and it helps with windowsills, shelving, blinds, and even delicate tasks such as cleaning around your power tools, motors, or switches. This vacuum doubles up as a powerful blower. Simply detach the hose and attach it to the blower port on the other side of the vac. You now have the ability to dislodge debris from hard-to-reach areas or to blast dust off your tools onto the floor for easy cleanup with the flat surface nozzle. The powerful 18-volt lithium-ion powered motor has an impressive 21.2 litres per second of airflow for easy pickup of bulky building debris, fine dust, liquids, mud and much more. As a wet and dry vac, it comes supplied with both a cartridge and a foam filter, as you can see here. To swap the filter over on this vac, you need to open it up, again loosening the clasps and removing the top of the vac. Twist the end cap from the filter tank like so, then you can simply pull away the dry filter. Take the foam filter and slide it into place. Connect the cap back and lock the top body of the vac securely with the clasps. The vac is now effective for workshop spillages such as water or other liquids. Once dealt with, simply repeat the process again to put the cartridge filter back into place. Evolution Power Tools have designed this vac for use with their 2, 4, 5 and 8 amp lithium-ion batteries. All the batteries in the range will ensure that the vac will be operational with no compromise in either suction or the blow function. To insert the battery, it's really simple. Just line it up like so, clip it on, and you're now powered up and ready to go. There's an LED charge level indicator here so that you can monitor your battery life during operation. All of the batteries in the range feature Keep Cool technology, which ensures that they actively manage temperature during operation. To change your battery, or when you need to put it on charge, there's a quick release button here to remove it from the vac. For charging, there's two options. There's a single unit dock that you can see here, or there's also this double charging dock. You get the same fantastic performance with either charging station, depending on how many batteries you want to charge at any given time. Once the charger is plugged in, you slot in your battery like so. And then you can monitor the battery charge status from the LED charge indicator. These chargers are also wall mountable, which is a handy feature for use in the workshop or garage. So there you have it, the Evolution R11VAC-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless wet and dry vac with a selection of onboard attachments and a cartridge and foam filter included. That's all for me today, guys. I'll see you on the next one.